Hello students, now we are going to discuss about your first lesson, that is large numbers. What are large numbers? So you may have learnt in your smaller sections from 1, 2, 3, 4 so on up to 100, 200, 300 like that up to 1000, 2000 so on up to 10,000 like that. Now we are going to learn them in a clear manner. How many digits a number can contain, and after 10,000 what is a number, after 1 lakh, after 1 crore. So these are the large numbers which are very useful in our daily basis. These are useful in our regular life. So let's discuss them. So the first bit in your page number 66, first bit, write the numbers in the expanded form. Write the numbers in the expanded form. What is that? First one, 7814. How to write this one in the expanded form? What is meant by expanded form? Expanded form means you have to separate this, you have to divide this number into thousands, hundreds, ones and tens like that. This given number should be divided, and if you add all of them, what you will get? You will get this number. Okay, so what is there here? 4 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place, 8 is in hundreds place, 7 is in thousands place. So what is the highest number here? 7. 7, 8, 1, 4. 7,814. 7 is in thousands place. That's why we are calling 7,000. So you have to take 7 here. In which place it is there? Thousands place. Into 1000 plus 8 is in which place? Hundreds place. So take 8, put 8 here, here is 8, so you have to put 8 here in hundreds place. Multiplication into 100. Next one, plus 1 is in tens place, so 1 into 10. Why we are multiplying? 7,000, 7 into 1000. 8 is in hundreds place, 8 into 100. 1 is in tens place, 1 into 10 plus 4 is in ones place, 4 into 1. So once again, if you add all this, you will get what? 7,814. Is it clear? So this is the expanded form. What you have to do? First step, take the given number, see how many digits are there, divide them into ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place, and if there is any number besides 7, 10,000 like that we have to go. So 7 is in thousands place, 7 into 1000. 8 is in hundreds place, 8 into 100. 1 is in tens place, 1 into 10. 4 is in ones place, 4 into 1. This is called the expanded form for this 7,814. Clear, students? Next one, B. not this one. B is 10532. Okay, 10532. What you have to do here? What is this? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Clear? This one 10,000. One is in which place? 10,000's place. 1 into 10,000 plus 0 in which place? Thousands place. 0 into 1000. Okay. 5 is in which place? Hundreds place. 5 into 100. 3 is in which place? Tens place. 3 into 10. 2 is in ones place. 2 is in ones place. 1 into 10,000. 0 into 1000. 5 into 100. 3 into 10. 2 into 1. So if you are going to add, what you will get? 10,500, and this is 10,000. This will become 0. 5 into 100, 500. 3 into 10, 32. 10,532. You will get that one. Okay. This is the expanded form for 10,532. 10,000. This is 0. 0 into 1000 is 0. 5 into 100, 500. 3 into 10, 30. 2 into 1. This is the expanded form. See how many digits are there. Divide them into their respective places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And what you have to do next? Multiply the number with the place. Once again I will say with this example. What is this number? Divide. This is the first step. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay? 10,000s. What is this? 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. This is the division. First you have to divide the number into these many digits. Once 1 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, 7 is in thousands place, 6 is in 10,000s place. So first one, what is there? 6. 6 is in which place? 10,000s place. 10,000. Next one. 7 is in what? Which place? Thousands place. 7 into 1000 plus 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. 3 into 100. 9 is in which place? Tens place. 9 into 10 plus 1 is in which place? Ones place. First one, first step is number into which? 6 is in which place? 10,000. So 6 into 10,000. Completed. Next one, 7. We have to write 7 here, and 7 is in which place? 1000 place. Next 3. 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 3 into 100 plus 9. 9 is in which place? Tens place. 9 into 10. Next 1 is in which place? Ones place. So if you are adding this totally, 60,000, 6 into 10,000, 60,000, 7 into 1000, 7,000, 3 into 100, 300, 9 into 10, 90, 1 into 1, 1. 67,391. If you are adding this, you will get this one. Clear? So this first bit is completed. Next one. What is the next one? Write the numbers shown on the following abacus. Write the numbers shown in the following abacus. What is there? First one is, they have given an abacus. What you have to do? By seeing the abacus, you have to say what number is it. This is the abacus. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay. In ones place, only one ball is there. Next, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in tens place you are having 7. Next, in hundreds place how many you are having? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In thousands place what you are having? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 you are having. So in ones place there is only one ball. Tens place 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 balls are there. In hundreds place there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 balls are there. In thousands place 9 balls are there. Clear? What you have to do? By seeing this you have to write the number. What is, there is a number, if you add all this you will get a number. You have to write that number. What is that number? I will say. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Which place? There are 9 balls. Count these balls. These balls are in which place? Thousands place. So what I said, 9 into 1000. This 9 will say the number of balls. And what is this 1000 saying? Its place. It is in thousands place. So 9 is in thousands place. Next one. Follow the same. Number of balls into the place. Place value. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 balls. In which place? 100 place. 8 into 100 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 balls. In which place? Tens place. 7 into 10. In ones place what is there? Only one ball. 1 into 1. If you add this, 9000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 1. This one is 9000, this one is 800, this one is 70, this is 1. What you will get? 9871. This is the number. Clear? What you have to do? Once again I am saying, count the number of balls. Up he has given the place value. 1000, 100, 10, 1. Count the number of balls and multiply it with 1000 because it is in thousands place. That's why I have written here number of balls into place, number of balls into place, number of balls into place, number of balls into place. If you add all this, you will get a number. That is the number hidden in this abacus. Next one is, see this. Ten thousand, thousand, hundred, 10, 1. So in 10,000's place, how many balls are there? Only 2 balls. Look at your textbook page number 67. Just before I have said, once again I am saying, in page number 67, this is the second bit B. Okay, two balls are there in 10,000's place. Next, in thousands place, 0 balls, no balls are there. In hundreds place, you are having 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls are in hundreds place. Next, in tens place, you are having 8 balls. Eight balls in tens place, and in ones place, no ball is there. Means you are having no ball in thousands place and no ball in ones place. What is the number you are going to get? What I said, number of balls into place value. I mean, in which place it is there. So 2, starting from here. You have to always start from bigger, or if you are going to add all this, you are going to get a number. 2 into 10,000. Thousands place 0. 0 into 1000 plus, in hundreds place 7 are there. So 7 into 100 plus, in tens place how many are there? 8 are there. 8 balls. In ones place, no ball is there. 0 into 1. So ones place 0 balls. Tens place 8 balls. In hundreds place 7 balls. In thousands place 0 balls. In 10,000's place there are 2 balls. So what is this? If you add all this, what you will get? 20,000 plus 700. This is 0. 0 into 1000 is 0. 7 into 100. 700 plus 8 into 10. 80 plus 0 into 1. 0. What is the final number you are going to get? Once again I am writing 2 into 10,000. 20,000. 0 into 1000. 0. 7 into 100. 700. 8 into 10. 80. 0 into 1. 0. 20,780. This is the answer. Clear, students? Just multiply number of balls into the place, number of balls into place. This is the trick here. What you have to do? Number of balls into place. Then add all of them, you will get a number. That is the required number. Clear? Next one. Third one. third bit, page number 67. What is there? Write the place value and the face value of the colored digits. Write the place value and face value of colored digits. What is the first one? First one is 2349. 2349. This 4 is in red color. In your textbook, page number 67, third bit, first one, 2349. This 4 is in red color. What is the place value? What is the face value? You have to write. So once again, from basics, what you know? 9 ones place, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands place. So what he has given, we have to find out the, read this carefully, write the place value and face value of colored digits. 4 is in red color, remaining all are in black color. So this one is colored one, red colored one is in which place? Tens place. So what you will get place value? 4 into 10, that is 40. This is the place value. Next, face value. If you are looking at the face of the number, what are you getting into your mind? What is this number? 4. 4 is only the face value. By looking at the number, what can you recognize? This number is 4. In which place it is there? You are nothing to worry about that. In which place it is there? You have to worry in this, not in this. By looking at the number, you can know this is 4. So write the 4. That is the face value. But in place value, the number into in which place it is there? 4 into in tens place it is there. So you will get 40. 40 is the place value. Next one. 8, 9, 4, 3. 8943. You have to, this 9 is colored one, so you have to find out the place value and face value of 9. Once again, this is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. What is the place value? What I said, the number into in which place it is there? In hundreds place. 100. What you will get? 900. 900 is the place value of what? Of 9 in the number 8943. Then what is the face value? What is this number? By looking at the face. Face means by looking at the face of the number. Face is 9. That's all. See. What is the number next one? 13462. 13,462. What is the colored digit in this number? 3. This one is colored one in red color. So, place value. First we have to find the place value. 3. Write the number. In which place it is there? In thousands place. What is the place value? 3000. What is the place value? 3000. How? 3. We have to find the place value and face value of 3. 3. Write 3. And in which place it is there? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This one is 10,000s. 3 is in which place? Thousands place. 3 into 1000 is 3000. This is the place value. Next one. What is the face value? 3 itself. Looking at this number, what you will recognize? 3. 3. Clear? Next one. Last one. last number in this bit, 52984, 52,984. First divide this. 4 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 9 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands place, 5 is in 10,000s place. Okay, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10, 1. These are the places. Now what you have to find for 5? 5 is in red color, so you have to find the place value and face value. Clear? Of which number? Colored number, red colored number, that is 5. 5, write 5. To find out place value, what I have said, take the number, write it 5. Into which place? It is in 10,000s place. What you will get? 50,000. Clear? Number into the place. Number into place. We will get 50,000. What is the face value? 5 itself. By looking at this digit, what you are going to recognize? This is number 5. That is only the face. By looking at the face of the number, we will get the face value. That's all.